Hello, welcome back. This is Coin Pig. I have another £500 worth of £2 coins. And yes, the usual unsealed bags. Hopefully, we'll find some more really interesting coins. Right, let's get on with this hunt. I'm not going to hang around. Let's get on with it. Well, that's no good. There's one stuck inside. Well, as you can see, it's stuck inside the bag, the seal bit on the bag, so let's just tear it. Hopefully it doesn't break the bag. Oh, yeah. We'll start with this one, since this one was the one that wanted to be left behind, and we're looking for the commemoratives, of course, not these technologies. One of the above face value designs. Ooh, there's a shiny one. Yeah, just a 2015. Oh, there's our first find. It's a Charles Dickens. Very common, not one that we might want to keep, really, unfortunately. And nothing else in the first bag. Right, I'll speed things up and I'll bring it back as and when we find something. Ooh, there's a nice one. Let's get rid of that one. That's just the standard 2015 behind. There's the London Underground train. There's two in this series, if you like. The London Underground Roundel and the London Underground train. Yeah, I think the Roundel's slightly more scarce than the train, but they're both relatively low numbers, to be honest. So that's our first decent find. Ooh, there's something, I think. Certain sheen to this particular coin. Looks like it's a 2016. And it is indeed a William Shakespeare. That's the comedies. Ooh, there's another. We'll call it a collectible coin for the time being. It's the Robert Burns. Certainly collectible north of the border. Oh, there's a abolition of the slave trade. I mean, there are versions of this coin that we could find. I've never have, but basically it has like a smooth background on there. That's the proof version, if you like, or the non-circulating version. Oh, there's a very common £2. That's the end of World War II, not VE Day as I used to call it. Apparently that's not the correct anniversary. Very common. Oh, and there's another abolition of the slave trade as well. Ooh, there's a shiny one. Let's put that at the front. I wonder what this one is. It looks like it might be another 2016. It is. It's another William Shakespeare. This one's William Shakespeare's Tragedies. Now on this one, oh, well, I've just seen it straight away. You can find an alternative edge inscription, but that one's got the correct inscription on it. Well, the piece of work is a man, means it's a correct inscription. Oh, there's a First World War Lord Kitchener, and I think on this one there's also a possibility of a different version, but that is the correct version. It's got £2 underneath the Queen's portrait there, and therefore that again is the correct one. Oh, there's another commemorative. There's the Marconi's wireless transmission, again very common. Oh, and another Charles Dickens. We've already found that one once today. Oh, another, so yeah, let's get rid of that one. Another Shakespeare, this one again, another new one, third of the set if you like, Shakespeare's Histories. So you have all three now. Oh, there's a very early commemorative in this £2 coin series. That's from 1999, the World Cup Rugby. Well, that wasn't supposed to happen, was it? Knocked the thing off, completely off the table. Oh well. Oh, now it's not focusing. Let's just see if I can fix the focus on it. Well, I don't know what happened there. Focus didn't seem to want to stick, so I have to make do with what we've got. Ah! Oh, for crying out loud. You wouldn't believe this, would you? I don't believe this. Look at that. Is that a Northern Ireland as well? I think it is. That's just ridiculous. I knocked the camera off and the very next handful produces a Commonwealth Games. That is amazing. Oh, very shiny Shakespeare's Histories. There's a Act of Union 2007, not in the best shape. It's a very common coin anyway. Ooh, there's another one. two in the same bag. Yeah, well, we haven't found a massive amount of coins actually, but 3 above face value and 1. I'm gonna get the magnifying glass out just to make sure on that one. I don't think it's just damage. I've already seen a couple in here. There's Brunel, the man, the portrait. Seen that one many times in the past. And another Charles Dickens. Seen that one 3 times now. First one to 3. Oh well. There's another one of the 3 Club. There's another one here. That's 3 of those as well, in the same bag as well. So, oh, and another Robert Burns. I've got a feeling there might be a few returns here because that one's in fairly decent condition actually for Robert Burns. And there's a Gunpowder Plot as well, of course, November the 5th. But that one, well, as I'm recording, that one is not one that we'll keep. Oh, there's another new one. There's a Florence Nightingale. Haven't seen that one today. But again, very common. Oh, and there's another. Oh, I've already seen that one. Oh well, let's get rid of that one. I've already seen this one now. So there's the First World War Navy. Yeah, it doesn't have a flag error on that one, or any of the errors. There's various versions of the flag error, but that one is another nice find. I've already given the game away on that one. This one's probably going to be another Shakespeare, I'm guessing. Yeah, another Shakespeare's Tragedies. And is it one with the edge issue. Put it the right way around. What a piece of work is a man. No, that's the standard edge inscription. Still waiting to collect one of those with the error. Wow, this hunt's turning out to be really good. Oh, that's got some damage on it though. I've noticed on these they've got this ring around the rim, and occasionally you can see it goes all the way around. I don't think it's supposed to be like that. Anyway, this is another 2015 Magna Carta. We used to find quite a lot of these, haven't been recently, but that one looks like it's in really good condition, to be honest. So we've been really lucky today. 5 different designs, 6 coins above face value in total, and we've still got another couple of bags to go, plus this one. There's another Robert Burns. That one looks like it's been damaged, unfortunately. Maybe cleaned. That looks like it's deliberate, to be honest, but oh, and there's another Charles Dickens as well. So that's 3 of those as well, or 4 of those now, sorry. This is the last bag. We're going to have last bag luck. Oh, it was another Shakespeare tragedies. So again, another chance to find the error. Now, what a piece of work is a man. So again, not the edge error. Oh, and there's another Shakespeare's comedies. There we are. Again, not one that we need to keep now anyway. But anyway, the last few coins here. Oh, and there's another Marconi. We've already seen that one, haven't we? Yep. And the final coin, and that is it. I don't know. This, I think, is probably the best £2 hunt I've had in a while, despite the accident halfway through. I don't know how I managed to knock the camera over completely. Oh, that was what I was going to check. I need to check that this one is, in fact, Northern Ireland. I'll have a quick look and I'll come back to you in a second. If you can, I think you can see it on here, but I need to check close up just to make sure it's not damage. Okay, so I've gone through all the coins, couldn't find anything in addition, except there was one slightly dodgy looking coin here from 2001. I'm not 100% certain on this one. As you can see, it's got definite features about it that aren't 100% what I'd expect to find, and particularly on the obverse, should we say. But I'm not going to class it as a fake. What else? Well, we found quite a few decent coins, really. One of the most successful hunts for a while, I think, in the £2 coinage videos, I suppose. And we did find quite a few, actually. Full 3 of the, well, oh, hang on. It helps if you turn it the right way up. Oh, hang on. Wait a minute. I'm confused. When I was looking at it earlier, I did say it looked a bit odd. This one. And if you look at that one, Robert the Burns is up that way. On this one, it's upside down. So I don't know whether there's something odd about this one or not. I'm going to keep it, and I'm going to have an investigation on this one, because it looks like it's been changed. Because there's the Queen's portrait. I do that on the original one. It's upside down. So I'm gonna keep that one to one side, and we'll have a look at that one. In addition to those, we did find a London Underground train, a really good condition Magna Carta, also a First World War Navy, that's the Dreadnought class ship, no flag error or anything on that one. Our most significant find is the Northern Ireland Commonwealth. As you saw, I had a slight accident with the camera, and it's been quite a struggle to find any £2 coins recently. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll be back next time for more. Until then, keep collecting.